Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Rasulillah. Welcome back. We are now on lesson 42, covering ayahs 108 and 109 from Surat Al-Baqarah, the second chapter of the Quran. Ba'da an a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are here. Am turiduna. Turiduna an. What do we say about nun sakina? Depends what's after. This is a ta that comes after. So a ta that comes after makes it ikhfa. It's a letter of ikhfa. Turiduna an tas'alu. So we have tas'alu rasulakum. Rasulakum. The waw here slightly lengthens the seen. Rasulakum. Kama su'ila. This is a hamza. Su'ila. Not su'ila. Su'ila. Kama su'ila Musa. Musa. Meme with a waw. This just extends the Musa. Okay. Now we have min. This noon, as you can tell, has a sukoon, no movement, so you read it silent. Min qablu. But because we have a qaf after the noon, that is sakina, meaning it has a sukoon, meaning we don't have a fatha, we don't have a kasra, we don't have a dhamma. It's left empty, so there's a sukoon. If after noon sakina, that's what's called noon sakina, there is a qaf, this is a letter that calls for ikhfa, meaning we would recite it as such. Min qablu. Okay? So you extend the meme, the noon. Min qabl. Min qabl. Okay, so min qablu waman. So min qablu waman. You have a ya followed after the noon sakina. So there's an assimilation here. Waman, like that. Waman yatabaddali. Waman yatabaddalil. From the lam with the kasra, we go into the alif lam here. This drops, so lil, we're going to read this lam with the sukoon. وَمَن يَتَبَدَّلِ الْكُفْرَ. We've done a lot of those in the past, so you can look at those previous ones. وَمَن يَتَبَدَّلِ الْكُفْرَ. كُفْرَ bil ba. Kasra bil. So this drops, right? The hamzatul wasl drops here. You go straight to the lam, and this has a sukoon. So what do we get if we say bil, right? Bil. There's a kasra here below the hamza. So bil e, because the ya sukoon extends the e. Bil imani. Bil imani. فقد. The dal is slightly shaken, what's called qalqala. فقد ضل سواء. فقد ضل سواء. So we're going to go from here. سواء. Alif lam sin. This drops, you go straight from the as. سواء السبيل. And I think you guys recall, why don't we read this alif lam? Because it's called huruf shamsiya, letters that drop. You go straight to the scene. سواء السبيل. Because we're ending the ayah here, right? We say سواء السبيل. We don't need to say سواء السبيل. That's only if you're continuing. Usually you stop at the last letter without saying the movement of it in the end of an ayah. So sawa as-sabil. Next ayah. This is a waw dal wadda. Wadda kathirun min. Kathir, ya sukun, kathir, kathirun min. The run mixes with the meme that has the shadda. So un, like kathirun, becomes kathirum. Rum assimilates with the meme. Kathirum min ahlil kitabi. Min, sorry, there's no ikhfa here. So it's just min ahlil kitabi. We're here. Law. Law. Let me raise it up slightly. لو لو يردونكم يردونكم. This meme sakina, meme with a sukun, assimilates to that meme that has the shadda above. يردونكم min. Okay? Because after the nun sakina there's a ba, this becomes another meme sound. يردونكم من بعدي. You get that? يردونكم من. يردونكم من بعدي. من بعدي إيمانكم. This is a word we read just a little bit ago. Ya with a sukun extends this. إيمانكم. إيمانكم. كفارا. كفارا. حسدا. حسدا. Okay. حسدا من. The an from hasadan mixes and assimilates with the meme here. So it becomes hasadam. Hasadam min عندي. Noon sakina followed by dal. So min عندي. عندي. And there's another noon sakina, tons of noon sakinas, guys. There's another noon sakina right there, that's a noon. أنفسهم. أنفسهم. Another assimilation here. These two memes join in. So أنفسهم mim. Because you got a ba here again. That's why it helps to see this here. أنفسهم من بعد. من بعد. ما. Now down here. تبين. See that? تبينون. But the ya has a shadda here. So تبين لهم. لهم. This mu, you drop the alif there, the hamza. You go straight into the lam. Mul. لهم الحق. لهم الحق. This is ha, right? لهم الحق. فاعفوا. فاعفوا. This drops. واصفحوا. واصفحوا. حتى. Slight extension. حتى يأتي. يأتي. This hamza with a sukun, there's just a slight pause without breathing. يأتي. يأتي الله. يأتي الله. If we have a fatha or dhamma before the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we read the name of Allah full. Like this. يأتي الله. بأمره. بأمره. إن الله إن كسرة نون شدة إن. This is also غنة, right? So we hold it with a slight nasal sound. إن الله على كل شيء قدير. كل شيء قدير. Hopefully this will be beneficial, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair, and we'll try to upload as soon as we can on the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.